not smiling, but the crew on board Nokia are David Witt, Charlie Digman, Cameron McDonald have done a sterling job here. They've been very brave because the conditions are probably the toughest we've seen in the Grand Prix series ever. Amazing performance here by Nokia as they go round the top mark.
And at the end of it all, sensational run to the finish. Will they come Master Curve with a remix? They don't need to, but yes they will.
I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme when I was obsessed with time. All I know, time was just slipping away, and I watched it count down till the end of the day. Watched it watch me, and the words that I say, the echo of the clock rhythm in my veins. I know that I didn't look out below when I watched the time go right out the window. Trying to grab hold, trying not to watch. I wasted it all on the hands of the clock. But in the end, no matter what I pretend, the journey is more important than the end or the start. And what it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard.
I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed